Hey everyone, welcome back to Wireless Solutions, where tech tips are simple and fun. In this video, I will show you how to check and upgrade your Android version on your phone, step by step, so you can get the latest features, security patches, and smoother performance. Here's what we'll cover. Step 1. Check your current Android version. Step 2. Connect to Wi-Fi and prepare your phone. Step 3. Check, download and install the update. Let us jump right in. At step number 1, check your current Android version. Open the Settings app on your Android phone. Scroll down and tap About Phone or About Device. Look for Android version. This tells you which version your phone is currently running. You can also see the security update level and Google Play system status here. This helps you know where you are starting before you check for an upgrade. Step 2. Connect to Wi-Fi and prepare your phone. Before downloading updates, connect to a stable Wi-Fi network. Updates can be large and use a lot of data. Make sure your phone has at least 50 to 75% battery or is plugged in. It is also a good idea to back up important data in case anything unexpected happens during the update. This ensures the update goes smoothly and avoids interruptions. Step 3. Check, download and install the update. Go back to Settings. Tap System on many devices. Software Update or System Update. If you do not see it there, use the search bar in Settings and search for Update. Tap Check for Updates. Your phone will connect to the update server and tell you whether a new Android version is available. If an update is available, tap the Download or Download and Install button to start downloading the update. This can take a few minutes or longer depending on your internet connection. And during installation, your phone may restart, which is normal. And once it finishes restarting, you'll be running the latest Android version your phone supports. And that's it. Now you know how to upgrade your Android version the right way. And hey, for disclaimer purposes, this video by Wireless Solutions is made for educational and informational purposes only. All steps and settings shown are safe and publicly available features of Android and its apps. Results may vary depending on your device model and software version. Always proceed carefully and make changes at your own discretion. And again, that's it. Now you know how to upgrade your Android version the right way. If this video helped you out, please do like, share, and subscribe to Wireless Solutions for more quick tech tips. Thank you so much for watching, and we hope to see you in our next video. Bye for now.